Pisces, what I have to tell you today has had my heart racing since I woke up in the middle of the night and laid out the cards across my table. I am not exaggerating when I say that in over 20 years of reading tarot, I have rarely witnessed an alignment as powerful as the one that is forming for you on this 6th of May, 2026. Today you are about to discover exactly why the universe has chosen this specific day to open 3 doors that have been locked for far too long in your life. In the next few minutes I will reveal to you which card appeared reversed and has finally turned upright, bringing unexpected financial flow into your reality. I will uncover the hidden message that love has prepared specifically for you, and I will explain why your physical body is entering a regeneration phase you have not felt in years. And beyond that, I will also expand on deeper layers the cards revealed, because your path is not ordinary right now, Pisces, it is highly charged with transformation. But before going further, there is something essential you must understand, something many Pisces tend to overlook. This triple alignment of luck is not coincidence, not random chance, and not a gift falling from the sky without reason. It is the result of everything you have been silently building when nobody was watching you, when you doubted yourself, when you wondered if your moment would ever arrive. Today I confirm to you that this moment has arrived, and the cards do not lie. The Ace of Pentacles appeared this morning alongside the Star and the Sun in a combination I have only witnessed a handful of times in my entire career. And every single time this alignment has appeared, the people receiving this message experienced life-changing transformations that completely altered their destiny. We begin with money, because I know this has been weighing on your mind recently, even if you don't openly admit it. The Wheel of Fortune appeared in the center of your financial reading, and this indicates that the cycle of scarcity you have been going through is reaching its natural conclusion. And let me expand this further for you, Pisces, because the energy here is not small or limited. It is not about minor improvements or small amounts appearing randomly. It is about a shift in your entire financial frequency, where opportunities begin to recognize you instead of escaping you. The reversed Four of Pentacles that once represented your fear of losing what little you had is now turning upright, releasing its grip. This means money is no longer something you chase desperately, but something that starts flowing toward you with increasing stability and ease. Pay close attention, because this is important. The universe is not giving you money out of nowhere. It is returning it to you. Every moment you helped someone when you had little, every time you shared without expecting anything in return, every silent act of generosity when nobody acknowledged it. All of it was recorded in the cosmic ledger of your financial karma. The Six of Pentacles appears confirming that the balance is now shifting in your favor. Debts that once felt like impossible mountains will begin to reduce in ways you cannot yet logically explain. Even unexpected support systems may appear, including people returning what they once owed you or opportunities resurfacing from your past. Pisces, this is the exact moment where your financial destiny requires your conscious participation. Write in your thoughts, and if you feel called, even in your actions, my abundance arrives now. This is not superstition, it is alignment of intention with energetic momentum. The Knight of Pentacles shows how this money arrives, slowly at first, then steadily, then consistently. A job opportunity, a business offer, or a forgotten project coming back to life. Something or someone will contact you with a proposal that feels unexpectedly stable. The Three of Pentacles confirms collaboration. You are not meant to build everything alone in this cycle. Partnerships will become essential, and the right alliances will multiply your results beyond what you expect. Even the Ten of Pentacles appears in your near future, but it comes with a condition: release the old belief that money is dangerous or that abundance is only for others. That belief has quietly limited your flow for years. And now I must tell you something deeper, Pisces, because this reading is not only about receiving, it is about becoming. The Nine of Pentacles shows a version of you standing in independence, enjoying what you have earned, no longer guilty about receiving comfort, beauty, or ease. You will begin to allow yourself small pleasures again, things you postponed thinking maybe later. That later is now beginning to arrive. People around you will notice this shift. Your energy, your decisions, your presence with money will start to change. Some will even ask what you are doing differently, because your transformation will be visible. The Page of Pentacles indicates that your discipline and patience will inspire others. You may unknowingly become a model of financial growth for someone observing you closely. Pisces, subscribe to this channel now as a symbolic agreement with your future stability. Every time you align yourself with this message, you reinforce your openness to receive. Now let's move into love, because this is where your reading becomes deeply emotional. The Two of Cups appears at the center of your emotional field, showing a bond that is real, mutual, and spiritually aligned. If you are in a relationship, expect renewal. It will feel as if emotional time is resetting and love is being experienced again from the beginning, but with deeper maturity. If you are single, a meeting is approaching that will feel instantly significant, as if recognition happens before words. The Empress appears next, indicating emotional expansion, softness returning to your heart, and feelings that you have held back finally finding expression. You have spent too long being strong for everyone else, holding responsibilities that were never fully yours. Pisces, this is the phase where emotional safety returns to you. The Knight of Cups brings a message of romantic movement. Someone is thinking about you deeply. Their emotional connection is growing quietly but strongly. This could be someone new, someone from your past returning with clarity, or someone already close to you revealing deeper feelings. The energy around you shows gestures, messages, emotional honesty, and expressions that will make you feel valued in ways you may have forgotten were possible. The Six of Swords indicates something you must release. A memory, a resentment, or a belief that you are not worthy of deep love. That chapter is closing now. The Moon reveals hidden emotional truths. Something will come to light, either a confession, a realization, or an understanding about someone's true feelings toward you. And instead of confusion, it will bring clarity. The Ace of Cups arrives like a blessing. This is emotional renewal, Pisces. A new beginning in your heart space that feels clean, fresh, and aligned. The Star continues the healing process, pouring energy into your emotional wounds. Old pain begins dissolving. You are not carrying the same emotional weight anymore. And I will expand this truth further, your healing is not linear. Some days you will feel stronger, other days more sensitive, but overall your emotional system is restructuring itself into something more stable and peaceful. The Queen of Cups shows the version of you that emerges after this transformation, emotionally intelligent, deeply intuitive, and no longer dependent on validation from others. Pisces, your emotional field becomes magnetic to healthy relationships and naturally repels anything unstable. Now let's move into your physical body and health. The Sun appears strongly here, bringing vitality, recovery, and a return of energy you have not felt in a long time. If you have been dealing with fatigue or stress, this begins to lift. Your nervous system is entering a recalibration phase. Sleep improves. Tension releases. Mental noise begins to quiet. The Four of Swords confirms deep rest and recovery. Your body is finally allowed to reset. The Temperance card brings balance. Your habits, your internal chemistry, and your daily rhythm start aligning naturally without force. Even your motivation begins to return. The Ace of Wands ignites your inner fire again. You will feel inspired to move, create, rebuild, and reconnect with life physically. The Seven of Pentacles shows that past efforts toward health were never wasted. Everything you tried before is now activating results. And the world closes this section with wholeness. Your system is entering harmony between mind, body, and spirit. Pisces, all three areas, money, love, and health, are now interconnected. Financial peace reduces stress. Emotional healing improves physical health. Physical vitality strengthens your relationships. Everything feeds everything else in a cycle of expansion. But there is also a warning. The Five of Pentacles reminds you not to fall back into old scarcity thinking. Do not sabotage what is beginning to grow. The Magician appears as your reminder that you already have everything you need. Your intuition, your patience, your emotional depth, your creativity, all of it is part of your power. Pisces, this is your moment of activation. The energy is already moving. Within the next days, signs will begin appearing, messages, coincidences, opportunities, emotional shifts. The Eight of Wands confirms fast movement. Once it starts, it accelerates quickly. Before the end of this cycle, at least one major shift will already be visible in your life. And as months progress, your reality will look completely different from where you are now. Past connections may return. Some for closure, some for opportunity, some simply to witness your transformation. Strength appears to remind you that everything you survived was preparation. Nothing was wasted. Every difficulty shaped your ability to receive what is coming now. Pisces, this is your turning point. The Judgment card confirms rebirth. You are stepping into a new version of your life. The past is no longer the driver. The present is your decision point. And the future is wide open. The universe has completed its preparation. Now it is your turn to accept. The final vision I see is simple but powerful, you walking forward with confidence, emotional peace in your heart, stability in your finances, and renewed vitality in your body. This is not imagination. This is direction. The energy is activated. The doors are opening. The choice is yours to step through. Pisces, your new life begins from this moment onward.